Hello everyone, welcome to our ads. Today's video is especially for those people who want to sell dollar or exchange funds. We usually exchange any amount of Debit Card USA funds to crypto within few moments. Let's go. Debit Card List: Chime Debit, Go2Bank Debit, Green Dot, Walmart MoneyCard Debit, Spruce Debit, Albert Debit, MoneyLion Debit, NetSpend Debit, OneFinance Debit, etc. Transfer Exchange: Cashapp P2P, Chime P2P, PayPal F2F. How many time take to redeem? We usually take less than 30 minutes. It's depend on amount. Which type debit card you redeem? All type of USA debit card. You redeem credit card also? Yes, sometime we redeem credit card also. You buy P2P gaming funds? Yes. Exchange rate? It's depend on market. We worked from this market long time. There is no risk about stolen money. You can join our Telegram, WhatsApp, Facebook page. Link comment box check. Thank you.